Hello, I'm Peter Sandercock, and I'm really hoping you'll come and listen to my talk, Analysing Trial Results, Intention to Treat versus Per Protocol. You might think the subject's a little dry, but it's going to be the final talk in a great session on innovative trial design. We really need to get better at evaluating new treatments for stroke, and there's going to be a lot to learn in this session. What I hope you'll learn from my talk is what exactly is an intention to treat analysis. How does understanding that concept help you to interpret trial results? And I hope this will enable you to use best evidence in your daily clinical practice. The conference is all the more important in the time of COVID-19. We need to be up to date to maintain high quality stroke care in these difficult times, and doing research during COVID is all the more important. So I hope you'll join me. There's going to be some great sessions all about dealing with stroke in the time of COVID, reducing the global burden of stroke, and getting the messages out there to our patients and to our colleagues. So do join us at the conference.